Hey friends, I want to show you how I take a pre-made wreath. I get these at Hobby Lobby and usually they're fuller than this, but this is the last one I have and it's been cut on and they didn't have any in yet. So I'm going to show you what I do with this. They're normally about $3 to $4 a piece. And this one, like I said, I've cut a little bit on it, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it right up. And we're going to use it to hang on our kitchen cabinets, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to pull it off of there. And we're going to fill in right over here where those have been pulled off. We just need to fill it in a little bit. Okay? Just so it doesn't look so sparse. Okay, now we maybe need one more. And I'm going to pull it somewhere where it's real dense. Okay, and I'm going to come into the inside, get that piece off. Whoops. All right, so now we have it like this. It's not very pretty yet. But I wanted to make it not look so Christmassy to where I could use it for fall. Because I have a place in my kitchen where my coffee bar is that I thought would be super pretty to be able to use this. So we're going to take this. Y'all, pre-mades are where it's at. I'm just letting you know. Pre-mades are where it's at when it comes to putting things over the cabinet or any places like that. I am just going to go right down in there. I'm just going to do a few of them. Okay, now I am going to cut this right in half, just like that. And we are going to have a place where we attach it. So I'm not that worried about what this is going to look like until I attach that, okay? Now I'm just going up underneath this glitter pine, just adding a little bit extra, okay? Now this one didn't want to stick. We're going to do it again. Glue it till it's already there, okay? Glue it till it's already there. These little guys are from Michael's. You can also get these at home. This is Stilby. At home, I swear, has the best and least expensive Stilby that there is if it's a box store. Okay, we're just going to add a couple. Just a couple more. Where it's real dense right there, we're just going to add these. Okay. Now, remember, I'm just coming in and I'm gluing it to the underside of this. Oop, not like that. Nope, it doesn't want to play nice. There it goes, but we are going to add a little bit more. If I need to, I'm just going to marry them together. You could always wire it on. It's not necessary for this type of wreath. Now, some people want to buy these in sets of like 6 or 8. Sell them in larger sets if you can get them. All right? The reason why people, like when I can find these, I will buy several. And all I'm doing is attaching. I'm just doing this because I want it to be fall. All I'm going to do to this little guy is attach a ribbon right here where it was bald, okay? Now, I am going to use a higher end ribbon, okay? So I'm just going to cut about 28 inches. About 28 inches, all right? Now what I'm going to do, where it's bald right there, yours won't be bald, mine is bald. Okay, I'm going to come up here just like this. I'm giving it a long leeway. Like I said, at least 24 inches of the knot, right? But what I like to do is this. This is just me. You don't have to do this. I like to knot it down here if I'm using nicer ribbon. Oops. Scoochie that over. Okay, just like that. I'm going to take this. I'm going to make it look really nice. Okay. All right, so I like that knot in it, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one of two things. I'm either going to, which is my favorite, I'm going to take these two pieces, I'm going to twist them to where they make sense, and I am going to, this is just what I like for my cabinet, I hang them over it like this, and I tape them to the back. I like the look of the ribbon when it does that. I think it's super pretty. I will take a picture of it. It adds the ambiance of the ribbon and just a little something something. This is just a Christmas pine wreath, but I made it more fall to give it some ambiance. I wanted two of these because my cabinets are black, so I wanted that contrast. That's also why I added the cream in there, because I knew that I needed some more contrast against that black. Now, something else I'm going to do while I'm here, since I've got that in there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let that pine just hang out just like that. I want that to be super simple, super pretty, and you can hang that on a cabinet, on a bathroom vanity, anywhere you'd like. I'll take some pictures and show you what it looks like. All right? Just a little hint, you can use wreaths for anywhere in your house. You can put this on an entertainment center, anything.